Hello everybody. Hey, thanks for joining in today. We want to show you today how to install the cone top adapter onto your traffic cone so that we can get to this point right here today so that the Pro Series light will attach to the cone top adapter. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the cone top adapter and it comes in a packet that looks like that. It's got multiple washers. This is what's included in the cone top adapter. Now, we have two different styles of cones and we have two different styles of cone top adapters to go along with that. Aside from the sizes, everything else is the same. So today we're going to install on the traditional cone, which is what most people have in their fleet, and then we're going to install on this type of cone, which is kind of new to the market. And so, and it takes the long cone top adapter versus the other one, which takes a short cone top adapter. Okay, so let's get into it. This is what's included in it. You'll notice these two big washers. You don't need to use those except for on the 36-inch cone you might want to use them. We're going to talk about installing that on a 36-inch cone also, but aside from that, you can just set those aside and repurpose them for something else. Okay, so here's what you have left. Now, these are the locking rings. You'll notice that there's a smooth side. The smooth side is what goes up on the installation process. So keep that in mind and we'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, now, why do we have multiple sizes? Because cones are sometimes different at the top. So you've got multiple sizes. I've already identified, I know the size of the washer that goes on the inside of the cone up to the flat surface of the cone on the inside. That's what you want to get. You want to get one that fits up in there nice, but not too big. So I've already identified it. This is the washer that we're going to use. And so we'll get into that in here just a second, but all you need is a traffic cone already in your fleet and a 1-inch PVC. That's it. So take that 1-inch PVC, shove it down and this is going to be our base for installing the cone top adapter. That's all you need. So 1-inch PVC, get a cone that is in your fleet. I'm going to install an 18-inch cone. This is an 18-inch base with the cone, the PVC extending above it. Okay, so here's how we do this. I know that this is the washer that fits on the inside surface of our cone. So first, I am going to take both of those locking rings, smooth side up, and I'm going to set them on top of that PVC. Then I'm going to take the washer that fits on the inside surface of our cone. Set that right there, put the cone top or the cone over the top. This is the short cone top adapter. So we're going to take that and get a mallet and that's locked in. So that's solid on there, it's permanent, and we have another video to show you how to change that if you need to. So, okay. This cone is a little different. You notice that the top of it here is where we're going to lock into on this bottom ring. Okay, so we're going to use the large cone top adapter for that. We'll install it the same way. This is the washer that best fits. We know which one it is. Okay, so I'm going to take the locking rings, set them up smooth side up, then the washer that goes on the inside, the cone over the top, take the long cone top adapter, set it there, and give it a good quick hit or two and it's locked in. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but that is a permanent attachment until that cone dies. The rest of these you can repurpose for other things. Okay, We're going to now show you the installation process on the large 36-inch cone. What I've done is I've taken a 36-inch cone out of our fleet of cones. I've got a 1-inch PVC that I've shoved down in there like we showed you on the other one. Okay, we're going to install it here on this 36-inch cone. So I'm going to plan on using this large washer on the outside surface, and we'll show you how that's to be done in just a second. Okay, so we get started. I've already determined that this is the washer. I already know that this is the washer that best fits on the inside surface of the 36-inch cone. So I'm going to take my 2 locking rings, smooth side up. I'm going to set them here. I'm going to take the washer that goes on the inside surface of that cone, and then the 36-inch cone over the top. Set that down. Take the big washer and the cone top adapter, and in this case, because of the style, it's a short. And there it is. It's done. You got a 36-inch cone, the Pro Series Lite, good to go.